All right, guys, after a very long wait and almost 5 years, I've decided to give the new Apple Watch a try. And the current one I'm wearing is the Series 4 that was released all the way back in 2018. So this is the 45 millimeter standard Apple Watch, Series 9, not the Ultra. And I got a special band with it. So not the standard sports band. So let's get straight into this. So packaging, very standard Apple, really very plain. No Apple logo, which is surprising, but there is a bit on the front. So let's get straight into the unpackaging. This is the Apple Watch box, and I gotta say it's quite clean. And on the back, really not much information here, other than that it's the 45 millimeter midnight aluminum. So this is the black edition and GPS only, so no cellular. Just put that to the side. Yes, this is the special band I got. It's a Nike sports band that is adjustable. And in all honesty, when I tried this in the Apple store, it was a lot more breathable compared to the silicone one. So here it is. And I would ignore the price because this comes standard. So you get to actually pick the type of band you want. And Apple now provides the band and the watch separately. So let's open up the Apple Watch first. Put that to the side there. And here is the watch. Very simple, designed by Apple in California, of course, made in China. Let's just take this out, see what we have in here. Looks like we have a braided charging cable. So let's just open this up. Nice. So still same old magnetic charger, the same one that I've been using, but the cool thing is that the cable is now braided. Get that focus in for you. And of course, this is a USB-C cable. So thank you very much. Apple is finally ditching the Lightning. Set this to the side here. More paperwork. Let's be honest, most likely we won't be reading any of this. I'm just going to leave that standard. And let's take the Apple Watch out. So it comes in this really neat cover here. See if I can take this out without dropping it. This is the Apple Watch. And here, this is where all the sensors lay on the back. And this is the watch. And just for comparison's sake, I want to take off my watch. Now, this is the 41 millimeter, but this has a case on top. This is the 45. And as you can see, even without the case, the Apple Watch Series 9 is slightly bigger. But the one thing I'll notice immediately is that the screen now curves. And this was a feature that I believe that was released actually a few series ago. I think the Series 7. But other than that, it has a very, very nice feeling to it. So let's open up the Nike band here and get this installed. So do this, we just gotta pop it open. Instruction manual on how to install the band. There you go. And here is the band. And of course, the one thing I do like about this one is that it is not a silicone band. It is a nice fabric, which is machine washable. And of course, for those enthusiasts, you actually get the Nike logo. Now, some people might like this, some people might hate this, but I'm quite honestly indifferent. And this is honestly one of my favorite colors. I love green, but this green and blue mix is going to be awesome. So let's get this installed on the Apple Watch. All you got to do is clicks. Same on the other side. Clicks. Let's take this one off. Put this one on. Nice. And that's how it looks on my wrist. I have to really bend it just with the camera orientation, but let's power this thing on. And we'll go from there.